Good morning, students. I am Niharika Sethi, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, GP Jaspur. Today we will study about instructions of 8085 microprocessor. As you know, 8085 microprocessor is a 8-bit microprocessor. It can process 8-bit data at a time. That means its data bus is of 8-bit length. And so as also its general purpose register can hold 8-bit data at a time. As you know, out of the two operand, one of the operand is always there in accumulator, which is also 8-bit. So whenever we'll do any addition operation, suppose for any tax, for addition operation we need to write series of instruction. Okay, so series of instruction constitute program. So what is instruction? Instruction is actually a command given to computer to perform certain operation on given data. Suppose we want to do the addition operation. For that we need two operands, 5 and 3. Then after addition the result will be there in the accumulator by default, which will be stored in memory location later. So first we will know what is instruction. Instruction is actually a command given to computer to perform certain operation on given data. So in 8085 microprocessor, the total instruction consists of two parts. One is a opcode part, then is a operand part. Opcode means operation code, what operation is to be performed, and operand part consists of operand itself immediately in the instruction or address of the operand. So suppose one instruction is move A, M. Here the instruction means move the content of memory to accumulator. So this is one instruction in which the first part contain what operation is to be performed, that is move operation. The address of the data here is accumulator and memory. This is the source and destination. Operand will come from source to destination. In 8085 microprocessor, total instruction is divided into different category according to the basis of word length of instruction. So in 8085 microprocessor, the instruction is of three types. One is 1 byte instruction, one is 2 byte instruction, and what is another one is a 3 byte instruction. So what is 1 byte instruction? As this is a digital computer, this can understand only digits or codes. The program which is written in alphanumeric language or assembly language, that there is a need to convert this assembly language program into machine code to make the machine understand the language. So that according to that basis, word length of instruction is of 1 byte, 2 byte and 3 byte instruction. The instruction for which the operation code or machine code is of 8-bit length, they are coming under 1 byte instruction. Suppose move A, M. In this case, the opcode for this instruction is 7E. As you know, 7 is 0, 111, and E is 1, 1, 1 and 0. 7E. So for this instruction, as the machine code is of 8-bit length or 1 byte, that's why this type of instruction is called 1 byte instruction. Okay. So the instruction for which the machine code is 1 byte, that is 1 byte instruction. Another one is 2 byte instruction, means a instruction whose machine code is of 16-bit length or 2 byte. They are coming under 2 byte instruction. Like example, MVIA, comma 05, whatever may be. If this part is the operand, the instruction mean move 05 immediately to accumulator. So this is a 2 byte instruction. So machine code for this is 0E. MVIE is 0E and this part is 05. So total machine code consists of 16-bit or 2 byte. That's why this instruction is called 2 byte instruction. Other instructions are also there whose machine code is of 24-bit. They are coming under under the category of 3 byte instruction. For example, LXI H 2500H. This instruction mean move load HL register pair with memory address 2500. So this is a 3 byte instruction. Here the machine code for LXI H is 21, and this is 2500. So that will be stored as 00 and 25. So as this instruction consists of 4 bits or 3 byte. So this type of instruction is called 3 byte instruction. Okay. So again, as we know, instruction consists of 2 parts. One is a opcode part, another one is a operand part. So in every instruction, one opcode part will be there which will address what operation is to be performed, and operand part consists of either the operand itself or address of the operand. On that basis, instruction of 8085 microprocessor is divided into many categories. So out of that, addressing mode is the technique of specifying address of the operand in the instruction. So in 8085 microprocessor, how many addressing modes are there? Different type of addressing modes are there, like register addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, implicit addressing mode, and immediate addressing mode. So what is direct addressing mode? So suppose a instruction STA 3000H. This means store the content of the accumulator in memory location 3000. Okay. So in this instruction, this STA part is the operation code or opcode. So this means store the content of accumulator. This is the store operation. So where to store? At this 3000 memory location. So this is the opcode and this is the operand. In this instruction, as this is the direct address of the operand, this type of addressing is called direct addressing mode. Then suppose another instruction, move A, M, A, B. Suppose the instruction is A, B. Okay, I mean move the content of B register to A register. Here the opcode part is move operation. So move operation means from the source to destination, the operand will come. From B register, data will be moved. Data will be transferred to A register. So that type of addressing mode is called register addressing mode. Then another type of instruction is also there, which is immediate addressing mode, like MVI A,05. In this case, 05 is the operand. So in the operand field, the operand is given immediately. So that's why this is immediate addressing mode. Some types of instruction are also there in 8085 microprocessor in which there is no need to describe about the operand address, like CMA, CMP. CMA instruction mean complement the content of accumulator. In this case, in the operand field, there is no address of the operand, not the operand itself. Rather, in operation code or opcode, that is already understood that complement of the accumulator is to be done. So this type of instruction in which there is no need to describe the address of the operand, they are coming under implicit addressing mode. So how many types of addressing modes are there in 8085 microprocessor? One is register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, indirect register addressing mode. Another one is implicit addressing mode. So addressing mode is actually the technique of specifying address of the operand in the instruction.